Hi, to enable and disable quick share on Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to find and open Settings. From here, choose Connected Devices tab and simply tap on Quick Share. Now you would see this list which you can basically customize. So here you can find your accounts, profile info, and so on. And in nearby sharing, you need to tap on who can share with you. And if you wanna disable quick share, you need to tap no one and then tap done. Now this feature would be disabled. To enable, tap here again and choose either context only or everyone, for example for 10 minutes, and tap done. Now this feature is on. You can also enable to show available devices on Share panel, allow sharing over internet. Here you can find your link sharing history. You can enable to use Wi-Fi only, check private sharing history, and privacy notes. And another way how you can enable and disable it is with the help of swiping down from upper corner to trigger control center, and then swipe down again and find quick share. If you can see that it is white, then it is turned on. To turn off, just tap it like that, and from everyone or context, switch to no one and tap done. And now quick share is turned off. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.